Over the last few videos, I've been slowly piecing together an advent calendar village for my daughter. This build though is a little different. For the final 3 houses, or rather shops, I went back to something I'd made almost 5 years ago, an old book nook that spent a long time being gently squashed in a box. Instead of letting it fade away completely, I thought it deserved a second life. The original shop fronts were a mix of 3D printed pieces and scratch build details, and at first I considered just using the fronts and scaling them down to match the rest of the village. But that felt a bit of a shame, so instead these became larger buildings, perfect for hiding 3 much bigger gifts in the final run up to Christmas. I built the structures from repurposed packaging boxes, cutting them down to size, reusing the ends to box everything back in, and angling the top to create simple roofs. The brick edges on the shops were trimmed and squared off so they could stand properly as individual buildings rather than one continuous scene. To add depth behind the windows, I opened up the fronts of each box and added decorative backdrops cut from a Harry Potter book my daughter kindly donated from her scrapbooking stash. They weren't shop scenes, but the colours were just right, soft, warm and perfect for creating that cosy glow through the tiny window panes. The roofs were finished with paper clay, rolled with a tile texture and edged with brickwork to tie everything together. Along the bottoms I added more paper clay and reused the original book nook steps before coating everything in black tinted texture paste. This helped unify the surfaces and, just as importantly, hide any of those telltale packaging prints. Each shop was then painted to suit the buildings seen in the films, and once dry, everything was sealed with a coat of Mod Podge. Now the roofs were topped with removable fluffy matte snow, cut to fit each building so they can be reused in the future. Each gift was numbered and tucked inside, along with a small battery tea light to give a gentle glow through the windows. Finally, the shops were placed proudly in our hallway, the last three builds of the Advent Village ready to be opened. I'd like to wish you a very happy Christmas and New Year, and thank you so much for all your support this year. I really appreciate every comment, every kind word, and every moment you've spent here with me. I look forward to seeing you again next year. Take care, stay warm, bye bye.